What's up, boys and girls? Alright, last box of Illusions. Flying through hobby boxes. Looking for that 101. So far, no luck. Maybe this is the one. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. What's up, Kevin Jr.? The list up just in case you forgot who you got. Appreciate the closing, guys. I just posted a mini. I actually hit post, and then I had a notification that Mitch commented and took the Vikings. So I think it was the Vikings, right? The last team, yeah. So I had to hurry up and delete the mini before all hell broke loose. But I appreciate the close. We're at 533. 3694. Mouse doesn't want to work today. No more. No more. No more. Alright. Cardinals, Jeffrey Jones. Falcons to Ronnie. I've got the Circle of Death. Are we still good live? Maybe it's just my phone. Alright. I think it's just my phone. Hold on, let me make sure. What the hell? Facebook. I'm being all kinds of problems. Mother truckers. Alright, okay, I'm back. Alright. Cardinals, Jeff Jones. Falcons, Ronnie. Ravens, Brian Alley and the Bills. Panthers, Chet. Chet. The Bears to Mitch. Bengals, Sue. The Brownies and the Cowboys to Jim Jennings. Broncos, Sean D. Lions, Chet. Packers to Sue. Texans, Mike Truman. Colts, Jim Jennings. Jaguars, Jeff Trojan. Chiefs, Eric Parker. Dolphins to Jimmy. Vikings to Mitch. Patriots, PJ. Saints, Jeff Jones. Giants, Jeff Trojan. Jets, Jeremy. That's a lot of J's. Raiders, Christian, Jesse. What's up, Mitch? Eagles, Austin Long. Steelers, Molnar Jr. Chargers, Trojan Man. The Rams, Jim Jennings. 49ers to Jeremy, B. Seahawks to Kevin Molnar Jr. Buccaneers, Mr. Truman. Titans, Kristen, Jesse. And the Commanders, Kevin Molnar. Dude, I was driving home over the highway, like the bridge, from downtown Cleveland. I swear I thought I was going to flip over. It was pretty bad. So I heard it's going to get even worse. And we got like, the pool's still closed, but through the winter, the tarp on it isn't really held down as good as it used to be. So I'm thinking that's going to take off. So yay. Good times. Alright, Illusions. First box was fire. Let's continue. Empty box. Let's see if first pack mojo like last time. Oh yeah, we got the upside down schnit going on here. Yep, first Looks like a patch coming. Bucky Irving. Rookie for the Bucks. Russell Wilson, where's he going to go? Not Cleveland. Trey Hendrickson. Cleveland said, nah. Giants said, nah. So, does he go back to Pittsburgh? Does he have a reunion with Pete Carroll? I don't know. There we go. Finally a Jaden Daniels out of this. On the Illusionist. Nicey nice. Well, we did hit a base out of the first box. Pretty cool card. Mr. Molnar helped close the last big team. One of the last big teams. So first pack, little Jaden. Alright, let's see what we got here. McConkey. Oh, Shadow Box. Going to the Chargers, 12 out of 99. The Chargers, Jeff Trojan Man. Rookie endorsements, Shadow Box. That is pretty cool. Who is messaging me while I'm live? Like, bro. So Facebook is... Mike Truman can't get in live. What the... How does it work one day and then it doesn't work the next day? I really don't understand it. Ay, 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 ay. Well, I'll upload the video to YouTube as soon as we're done, and then I will post the link. Well, I don't know why I'm telling you guys, because you guys can see it, but Dallas Turner on the back. So stupid. How does it work one day, and then the next it doesn't? Is it something they're doing? I don't, or is it just Facebook being Facebook? I know, Mitch, you do take the Chargers. Another Ezekiel Elliott for the Cowboys blue. We pulled a couple last box. This is going to be 54 out of 125. Michael Penix. Ronnie. Nice rookie there. Adam Thielen. And then the Dallas Turner. I started off the year pulling McConkey's pretty regularly, and then it got a cold streak for the Chargers. Last year was Quentin Johnson. Quentin Johnson was in everything and its mother. Oh. Michael Penix. Ezekiel. Where do you go to school? We all know. That's dark blue. Oh, hold up. I got one more left. Damn! This is going to be a Jaden Daniels box? 2 packs, 2 Jaden Daniels. This is Shining Stars. Gino. He's got a new home. For Texans, Stephon Diggs. Kind of like a spade. 356 out of 399. Kyle Hamilton. TJ Twat. Gino. Gino. I meant TJ Watt. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Just, I don't know why that happened. Houston. Mr. Truman that can't watch lives. Unbelievable. How does it work for 2 breaks and then goes back? I don't understand. I don't understand. Make it make sense. Facebook. Oh, I'm doing it again. Underneath that, Tyreek Hill on the clutch. Numbered 106 out of 399. Jim Jennings taking Miami. Terry Bradshaw. Spencer Rattler. I think Chris and Jesse is, no, it's Jeff Jones this time picked the Saints. And A.J. Brown. Sound like a tree just crashed down. On the behind. Drake May showing up. All right. PJ. I don't know if he can see the break. Probably not. Annoying. I didn't see him properly. So little May, little Daniels. All right, what we got here? Oh, that's just a filler. Rookie. Wow. Spencer Rattler. This was the box to take him. Going to Jeff Jones. It's not really it's kind of a shadow box. 180 out of 240. So 2 like shadow boxes for autos. 2 rookies. This one's really thick. That's what she said. Rookie Signs, this one is called. Rookie Signs. Alright, so we pulled both autos. So we got, wait, is it 3 autos? Supposed to be? Alright, we got 1 more auto. Franklin. Damn. That first stack was all the hits. Derek Carr, Patrick Mahomes, and Franklin. We got a numbered Dak Prescott, 23 out of 99 going for the Cowboys on Game Magicians. Not sure if that's true. Jim Jennings took the boys this time. Game Magicians. $23.99. Alright, another hit. Wow, it's 3rd auto already. Another Rookie Signs. Luke McCaffrey, Washington. Washington's hitting. Washington is hitting this break. 51 out of 240 on that one. Wow. Crazy autos in this box. Molnar closing it out. Getting some couple Daniels and now a Luke auto. That first... Now we're just looking for patches in that next stack. Brock on the back. Going to the Titans, 162 out of 399, Calvin Ridley. Oh, that's going to be a random. Inspirations, Michael Vick and Lamar Jackson. Oh! Son of a ditch. So that will be random. 5 out of 5. Ronnie with the Falcons, Brian with the Ravens. So I will random that off. 5 out of 5. Teasing us. That's the lowest card we've seen in a while. 5 out of 5. That is pretty sick. Random of death coming. Atlanta versus Baltimore. I will run that. 5 out of 5. Wow. That is pretty nasty. Speaking of Quentin Johnson, I talked him up. And a Brock Purdy. And amazing Joey B. No longer amazing for all the males here, so the dog's going to freak out. Dang damn it. What's the chances? Why is the mail so late on a Saturday? Usually he's here pretty early. Dozer's already starting. Alright, we still got 4 packs. That feels like a patch. That feels like a patch. Could be wrong, but Illusions is freaking nice, man. It's one of the better products it kicks Topps finest ass. That shit was booty. Xavier Worthy for the Chiefs rookie. Baker. Touchdown maker. Brock Bowers rookie. All the good rookies coming up. Christian. KC was, I believe, Eric Parker. Oh, we go here. Travis Etienne, 47 out of 50. The little lasers. Game Magicians, Jordan Love for Green Bay. That one is not. Lucas, what do you mean? Hobby boxes? I was watching a couple because I was going to grab another one, but they went above what I wanted to pay. I thought they were going to, they got sniped at the end. It was a good price. They were at $200. I'm like, yeah, I'll take the box for $200. Ended up going like $280 plus $12 shipping. I'm like, ew, that's more than what I paid for these. But they all sold last night, so maybe, I don't know. The guy had like 4 of them, and they averaged $270 to $280. It's a good product when they don't put it on sale and the eBay sales go for more than what they really are. Like Rookies and Stars, you can get the Lamar card, right? Got you. Like Rookies and Stars are on sale right now. I can get a box of that for $200 hobby, but that stuff is so overproduced. 18 out of 499. Sam Laporta for Detroit. So the first number is cool. The second number is 499. Yeah, I don't know what that would go for. 5 out of 5. That's a good one. That would have been sick if that would have been the 101. Could have split the pot, probably. Oh, damn you. All right, Najee, who is now on the Chargers. James Conner, not yet. Xavier. Yeah, I mean, they might not have been pulled yet, There are only 5 of them. What about, do they have a base one on there? They don't even have a base? Maybe they only made so many. Alright, should be patches on. Yep. Oh, wait, hold on. I did it again. Jesus. That last card. Alright, Bo Nix. Bo Nix, Jaden Daniels, Drake May, Rattler. QBs all over. So J.J. McCarthy was the first box. Mitch is like, of course. I took him this box. Where's that comment, Mitch? I know it's coming. You know better. You shouldn't have took him this break. I would have put up... I had the mini posted. You should have let it run its course. Anthony Rich, Romy Rome for the Bears, and Terry Scary McLaren from the Ohio State University. Under the patch, clutch Justin Jefferson, numbered 92 out of 199. So there you get a Vikings hit. I talked you up. I appreciate you, brother. Alright, see what we got here. Instant Impact. Kate Stover? Where do you go to school, boys and girls? If you don't know, it's the Ohio State University. So Houston, nice little... I definitely gotta upload the video for Truman because he got Texans with a hit. I don't know if this will fit into 130s. Oh yeah, it will. Last pack. Let's see what we get. JJ! So you got a base. Talked them up. Danny Dimes. Cooper! The latest Seattle Seahawk. I didn't see that one coming. And the JJ. It's all about the base. Two cards left, boys and girls. Maybe the one's in that Prospect Baseball from Don Ross. Illusionists. Marvin Harrison Jr. Ohio Buckeyes. National champion Ohio State Buckeyes all over the place. Jeff Jones, I hope that's a new one for your PC. Alright. Patch it up. I'm about to... Duel! Oh, for the Colts! Peyton Manning and Anthony Rich going to Jim Jennings. I can only laugh. I cannot confirm or deny that Jimmy took that because Mitch took his Rams. I can't confirm or deny that. But it was, I don't know, he took the Cowboys and the Browns too. But that's a pretty sick card. Peyton. I'm surprised these aren't numbered. They are not, though. Yeah, the patches, I don't think the patches were numbered in the first box. Nice hit, Jim. Alright. Damn, I had a feeling. I thought the 101 was that box, but we'll move on. Nice stuff, though. There's another great box of loot. I mean, another great box. Nice autos, good patches. A 5 of a 5. Like, heck yeah. Alright. The autos were all kind of shadow boxy, which are cool. Alright, here we go. Nice. I mean, when you got that many hits for one box out of 50 cards, you got more hits than base. That's what I'm talking about. And that's a filler. So when you got that and that, that's a good box. That's worth the product, the money. Alright. I'll try to find some more, but I don't know. It might be going up. Illusionist, rookie. Marvin Harrison. JJ on the base. Justin Jefferson, clutch. 92 out of 199. Romy Rome on the rookie. Xavier Nagat, rookie. Sam Laporta, 18 out of 499 for the Lions. Travis Etienne, 47 out of 50. A little shorter print there. Xavier Worthy, rookie base. Brock Bowers, base rookie. Calvin Ridley for the Titans, 162 out of 399. Game Magicians. I can't even say the words because he is no game magician. 23 out of 99. I can't talk though. Either are our quarterbacks. Spencer Rattler, base rookie. Clutch, Tyreek Hill, 106 out of 399. Stephon Diggs, 356 out of 399. Zeke, 54 out of 125. Blue on that one. Dark blue. Michael Penix, rookie base. Bucky, rookie base for Tampa. Shining Stars, Jaden Daniels. Illusionist, Drake May. Illusionist, Bo Nix. Illusionist, Jaden Daniels. I say that's pretty good. Illusionist in a row. Cade Stover on the patch. Rookie patch. Instant impact for the Texans. Deja Vu, Peyton Manning and Anthony Rich. Dual patches for the Colts. And we got Luke McCaffrey for Washington. Little shadow box auto there. Rookie signs. Rookie signs Spencer Rattler. What's Luke's number 2? 51 out of 240. 51 out of 240. Spencer was 188. That's hard to see. Old eyes. 180 out of 240. And then the big shadow box, rookie endorsements. Lade McConkey, 12 out of 99 on that one. A little red action going on. And then the 5 out of 5 inspirations. Michael Vick, Lamar Jackson's 5 out of 5 nasty card. Random of death will be coming. Atlanta versus Baltimore. Good luck, Ronnie, and good luck, Brian. I'll run that as soon as I can. Shortly. All right. I swear, we had 2 boxes of Illusions, box of Topps Finest, a box of Obsidian. I thought the 101 would be out of one of those 4 boxes. Depending on what happens tonight, Lucas. I got this baseball. But I haven't even looked at price list or anything. But 6 autographs. There's kabooms in it. It's new debut edition. I know it's not licensed, but it's pretty nice stuff. There's the future Cleveland Indians second baseman Travis Bazzana. But this stuff has been pretty nice from what I saw. And there's kabooms in this. Kaboom baseball cards. So that's pretty sick. So this will be next, but I got to work out a price list. So hopefully, maybe I can get it up tonight. If not, then tomorrow. All right, I'm sorting as I'm breaking. Your piles are building up, so those will be going out Monday, Tuesday. So everything will be shipping. It's Wednesday the latest. Just depends on how much. Like I got to do this break, and then the one from last night. But I should be able to knock those out tomorrow. And the last one. So I'll put a preview post up. I always do it an hour before, so stay tuned. I don't know why people can't see the break again. This sucks. So I have to upload them to YouTube, which I will do right now. So, alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.